With the right real estate marketing materials, you can stand out from the crowd, attract more home buyers, and generate more sales. Keep watching to discover the 9 best marketing materials for realtors. A strong website. Many people head online when they're searching for a real estate agent. Without a strong website, you're already missing out on leads. Without a website with a modern IDX home search, your clients will use a large portal like Zillow or Trulia. A good agent website will, 1, allow you to retain your clients by not having them go to Zillow and have their contact info provided to a competitor of yours, and 2, allow you to generate new leads. Your website will also serve as the hub of your other marketing strategies too. Plus, agents change brokers on average every 5 years according to NAR. Owning your own website allows you to own your personal brand and keep the momentum of your business if you change brokers in the future. Eye-catching mailers. Direct mailers, which can include postcards and flyers, are tangible proof of your brand. When people hold on to your mailers, they'll see your brand repeatedly. Repeated exposure can improve brand awareness and recognition. Make sure to communicate your value within these mailers. Why should people choose you over another real estate agent? Try to focus on your target market. Then, customize your mailers to ensure they stand out. Don't forget to tie in your brand, including a logo, a distinct color scheme, and your website URL. Mailers can help you target a specific population and generate awareness for your brand. They can also lead to a 3-time increase in referrals from past clients. Open house signs. Real estate open house signs are another great way to communicate your brand. High-quality, eye-catching signs can generate awareness within your community. Don't use a boring old template. Instead, customize your signs to make sure they reveal your personal brand. In addition to open house signs, you can also add brochure boxes, name riders, and hanging signs among your real estate marketing materials. Click-worthy online ads. When someone searches for a real estate agent near them, you can ensure your website pops up using pay-per-click or PPC. PPC advertising allows your site to appear based on targeting criteria. You can target home buyers based on many demographics and locations. You can also use keywords. Make sure these online ads communicate your value. Use a strong call to action to compel people to click on your ads and visit your website. Then seal the deal with a landing page that converts those website visitors into leads. Optimize blog posts. Once you've updated your website, add regular, unique blog posts among your recurring realtor marketing materials. You can use these blog posts to keep your audience up to date about your latest listings. Blog posts are a great way to keep in touch with your audience and attract new site visitors. Don't forget to use search engine optimization, or SEO, and keyword research. SEO will help you attract more visitors to your website, allowing you to gather more leads. Make a strong, lasting first impression, and you will be in much better shape for the rest of the year. With these essential real estate marketing materials, homebuyers aren't likely to forget you. Instead, you can stand out from the competition and attract more business. Want to talk about adding our modern IDX and turning your WordPress website into a lead generation machine? Contact us today to get started. Thanks for watching, and let us know what your go-to resources are with a comment. Then show your support by giving our video a like and subscribing to our channel.